Hello ladies, how are you? I am Aline Almeida, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to use the WH words to form questions. I hope you like it. Before starting this video, I would like you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. By doing so, you can help me build a community of English-speaking ladies all around the world. It's really important for me that you can send this video for all your friends so I can continue to do my job as a teacher here on YouTube. Now, let's go to the WH words. They are English words used to introduce questions and relative clauses. The main WH words are why, who, which, what, where, when, and how. I will explain them one by one and give you some examples of questions and answers to make more sense to you. And I dedicate this video to my student Amanda Paiva because she gave me this idea. Thank you so much, Amanda. So the first one here is when, used to ask about time. When is your vacation? My vacation starts next week and I'm going to travel. The second one is why, used to ask about reason. Why do you need this job? Because I've been unemployed for the last 4 months. The next one is which. It's used to ask about choices. For example, which exercise is better, running or swimming? I think it's swimming. One more. What, used to ask for information. The easiest one is, what's your name? My name is Aline Almeida. Another one is where, used to ask about places. Where do you live? I live in São Paulo, Brazil. One more. Whose, used to ask about possession. Whose car is this? It's my mother's. And the next one is who, used to ask about people. Who's that girl with the blue t-shirt? Oh, she's my sister. There is another one. Who will be the winner? I believe the Reds are going to win this game. 2 examples for you about this one. And to finish, how, used to ask about process or manner. How are you going to fix this? I'm going to call a mechanic. Well, my suggestion now is that you watch this video again, copy the sentences, say them out loud, and then try to create your own questions and answers to practice. Alright? Don't forget to download my ebook if you liked this lesson. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for being here with me today, ladies. Bye for now.